If you're searching for a complete Remitly guide, you're at the right place. Whether you're new to money transfers or already sending funds abroad, understanding how to use Remitly effectively can save time, money, and stress. Here are the top 15 unique features and benefits of Remitly money transfer that you won't easily find elsewhere. Lightning mode transfers. Remitly offers real-time transfers to select countries, even faster than their express option. Transfer personalization. Save multiple recipient profiles with custom tags like mom, college fees, or emergency fund. Remitly auto-translates notifications based on recipients' preferred language settings. Set up automatic transfers on specific dates, perfect for tuition or monthly support. Share limited account access with trusted family members for coordinated transfers. Biometric login. Use fingerprint or Face ID login on mobile devices for enhanced security. Auto currency tracking. Get daily currency rate alerts customized for your frequently used corridors. Fee-free birthday transfers. Enjoy fee waivers when sending money on your birthday. Emergency push transfers. Activate a priority switch for emergency situations with guaranteed under 1 hour delivery. Eco-friendly receipts. Opt for digital receipts and carbon offset donations for every transfer. Gift card conversions. Recipients can choose to convert received money into local digital gift cards instantly. Local pickup enhancements. Use location matching technology to suggest the nearest safest pickup points. Dual currency wallet. Hold balances in 2 currencies before deciding to transfer, useful when exchange rates fluctuate. Zero deposit account linking. Set up bank accounts without requiring an initial deposit. Transfer stories. Add a personal note, photo, or video to each money transfer, making it more heartfelt. Learning how to use Remitly efficiently ensures your money reaches your loved ones safely and faster. Some other valuable platforms where you can explore more are www.remitly.com, www.exchangerates.org.uk, and www.fsecompared.com. Using Remitly money transfer isn't just about moving money, it's about creating a stronger bond with your loved ones across the globe.